In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on Homebase. If you're just getting started with this handy tool, then you're in the right place. Homebase is designed to make managing your time at work as simple and efficient as possible, and clocking in is an essential part of that. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily clock in using your Homebase dashboard. First things first, you'll need to open up the Homebase platform, where you will find yourself on the main dashboard. This dashboard might initially seem overwhelming, as there are numerous options like Quick Start Guide, Schedule, Timesheets, Payroll, Team, Productivity, and more. But don't worry, we are here to focus on just one task today: clocking in. Start by locating the Timesheets section, which is typically designed to provide you with an overview of the hours you've worked. This is where the magic happens. Now, as you move over to the Timesheets section, you will notice an intuitive, user-friendly layout. It's important to remember that this is where your clock in and clock out data will be stored. So, for employees looking to clock in, the next step is straightforward. You should look for the Clock In button, which is usually prominently visible. Click on this button, and you've started recording your work time, just like that. A good practice is to make sure you're familiar with how your employer prefers you to clock in, whether it's through a mobile app, a computer, or even a tablet at the workplace. Knowing this will save you time and prevent any potential hiccups. If you're using the mobile app, ensure your location settings are enabled, as Homebase might require you to clock in from a specific location. Once you've successfully clocked in, you'll want to confirm that your time has been recorded correctly. This can typically be done by checking your current shift details or the timesheet section. This verification step is crucial as it ensures that your records are accurate. A small mistake can lead to discrepancies in your work hours. Lastly, for those who are managing teams, you can review who has clocked in and who hasn't, allowing for better oversight and management. It's a helpful feature for supervisors to keep track of their team's punctuality and attendance. And there you have it. Clocking in on Homebase is designed to be as seamless as possible to help you focus on what truly matters: your work. Remember to log out when you're done reviewing your timesheet or reporting any corrections needed to your manager immediately. If you encounter any issues, Homebase offers excellent support to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.